In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free games on Steam Desktop. We'll walk through exactly where to click, what to look for, and a few helpful tips so you can quickly find and claim free titles without any guesswork. Start by opening the Steam Desktop app on your computer. From the main window, look to the top of the interface and click Store. This takes you to Steam's storefront, where all browsing begins. Next, select Browse. You'll see a range of ways to discover games, but for zero-cost titles, you want the dedicated area. Click Free to Play. This view filters the store to show games that don't require an upfront purchase. Once you're on the free-to-play page, take a moment to explore the sections you'll see featured across the top and throughout the page, such as Featured, Action, Adventure, and many more. These categories help you narrow down the kind of experience you want. As you scroll, you can open any games page to learn more. It's a good idea to skim the description, check recent user reviews for quality, and glance at the system requirements to make sure your computer can run it smoothly. Many free-to-play games offer optional in-game purchases. The store page will make that clear, so you know exactly what's included at no cost. When you're ready to get a game, you have two straightforward options. Click Play Game to start installing it right away. Steam will guide you through a quick setup, let you confirm the install location, and then begin downloading. If you're just collecting it for later, choose Add to Library. That saves the game to your account with no charge, and you can install it anytime from your library. That's it. By heading to Store, choosing Browse, opening Free to Play, exploring categories, and then clicking Play Game or Add to Library, you can build a solid collection of free titles on Steam in minutes. Enjoy discovering new games and have fun playing.